Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's super important for all of us, weight loss. Let's be honest, losing weight can be a real struggle, especially with our hectic schedules and love for delicious food. But what if I told you that there are some super simple drinks that can help you on your weight loss journey? That's right. In this video, I'm going to share 5 amazing weight loss drinks that are specifically tailored for Indian women. And the best part? They're all made with ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. So, if you're ready to sip your way to a healthier you, keep watching. Okay, so let's start with the first drink, which is like a magic potion found right in your masala daba Jeera Water. This humble drink has been a staple in Indian households for generations, and for good reason. It's not just a drink, it's a tradition passed down through the ages. You know, that little box of spices that's practically an essential in every Indian kitchen. It's like a treasure chest filled with tiny, potent ingredients that can transform any dish. But today, we're focusing on one particular spice, jeera or cumin seeds. Jeera, or cumin seeds as you might know them, are like tiny superheroes when it comes to weight loss. These little seeds are packed with nutrients and have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They're not just for flavor, they're for health. They're packed with this amazing compound called cumin aldehyde, which basically tells your body to burn fat faster. This compound stimulates the digestive enzymes and helps in breaking down food, making your digestion smoother and more efficient. It's like giving your metabolism a big, fat wake-up call. Imagine your metabolism as a sleepy giant that needs a little nudge to get going. Jeera Water is that nudge. It boosts your metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently throughout the day. And the best part is, making Jeera Water is easier than making instant noodles. Seriously, it's that simple. You don't need any fancy equipment or ingredients, just a teaspoon of cumin seeds and some water, and you're good to go. Just take a teaspoon of cumin seeds and soak them in a glass of water overnight. This soaking process allows the seeds to release their beneficial compounds into the water, making it a potent drink by morning. In the morning, boil this water for a few minutes, let it cool down a bit, and then drink it warm. The warmth of the drink helps in soothing your digestive system and kick-starting your metabolism for the day. You can even strain it if you want, but I personally like to drink it with the seeds. The seeds add a bit of texture and continue to release their goodness as you sip. Trust me, it tastes way better than it sounds, and it's super effective in reducing belly fat. Many people have reported noticeable changes in their waistline after incorporating Jeera Water into their daily routine. Plus, it's great for digestion, which is a bonus. A healthy digestive system means better nutrient absorption and overall well-being. So why not give Jeera Water a try? It's a small change that can lead to big results. Next up, we have a classic with a twist green tea, but not the boring kind. We're going to spice things up literally. Green tea is already a rock star when it comes to weight loss. It's loaded with antioxidants and has a compound called EGCG, which is like a fat-burning machine. But let's be real, plain green tea can be a bit, well, bland. So we're going to give it a desi makeover. Instead of plain hot water, brew your green tea with a teaspoon of honey and a squeeze of lemon juice. The honey will add a touch of sweetness, and the lemon will not only enhance the flavor, but also boost the fat-burning properties of the drink. This green tea with a twist is perfect for those busy mornings when you need a quick and healthy pick-me-up. It's like a refreshing and energizing alternative to your regular chai. Now let's talk about a drink that's as refreshing as it is effective, detox cucumber water. This is perfect for those hot summer days when you need to stay hydrated and beat the bloat. Plus, it's so easy to make. You'll wonder why you haven't been drinking it all your life. All you need is a jug of water, a cucumber, sliced, a lemon, also sliced, and a handful of fresh mint leaves. Just toss these ingredients into the water, give it a good stir, and pop it in the fridge overnight. The next day you'll have a pitcher of the most refreshing and detoxifying drink ever. The cucumber and lemon act as natural diuretics, which means they help flush out excess water weight and toxins from your body. And the mint? Well, it just adds a burst of freshness that will make you feel like you're at a spa. Moving on to a drink that's as soothing as a warm hug from your Nani turmeric milk, or haldi doodh as we call it. This golden elixir has been a staple in Indian households for centuries, and for good reason. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's anti-inflammatory, boosts metabolism, and even helps you sleep better. And when you combine it with warm milk, you get a drink that's not only good for your body, but also incredibly comforting. To make turmeric milk, Simply warm up a glass of milk, dairy or plant-based, your choice. Add a pinch of turmeric powder and a dash of black pepper. The black pepper actually enhances the absorption of curcumin in the body, making it even more effective. You can also add a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor and warmth. This is the perfect drink to have before bed. It'll help you relax, improve your digestion, and you'll wake up feeling refreshed and glowing. And last but not least, we have a drink that's been gaining a lot of popularity lately, apple cider vinegar. This humble kitchen staple has been around for centuries, but it's only recently that people have started to recognize its incredible health benefits. From weight loss to improved digestion, apple cider vinegar is truly a powerhouse. Now I know what you're thinking. Vinegar? Really? It might sound a bit strange at first, but there's a reason why so many people swear by it. But trust me on this one, guys. Once you get past the initial skepticism, you'll find that apple cider vinegar can be a game changer. Apple cider vinegar, especially the raw, unfiltered kind, is a game changer when it comes to weight loss and overall health. The raw, unfiltered variety contains the mother, which is a colony of beneficial bacteria that can help improve your gut health. It's packed with beneficial enzymes and probiotics that work wonders for your gut health. These probiotics help balance the bacteria in your gut, which is crucial for digestion and overall well-being. And a healthy gut is key to effective weight loss. When your gut is in good shape, your body can better absorb nutrients and eliminate waste, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. To make this drink, simply mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water. This simple concoction can be a powerful addition to your daily routine. You can also add a teaspoon of honey to balance out the tartness. Honey not only makes the drink more palatable, but also adds its own set of health benefits, including antioxidants and antibacterial properties. Drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best results. This timing helps maximize the benefits, as your body can absorb the nutrients more effectively when it's not busy digesting other foods. It helps kickstart your metabolism, improves digestion, and even helps curb those pesky sugar cravings throughout the day. By boosting your metabolism, apple cider vinegar can help you burn more calories and maintain a healthy weight. But a word of caution, apple cider vinegar is acidic, so it's best to start with a small amount and gradually increase it as your body gets used to it. Over time, you can work your way up to a tablespoon or two per day. And if you have any underlying health conditions, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before adding it to your diet. This is especially important if you have conditions like acid reflux, ulcers, or any other digestive issues. Your doctor can provide personalized advice to ensure that apple cider vinegar is safe and beneficial for you. So, give apple cider vinegar a try and see how it can transform your health. With its numerous benefits, it might just become your new favorite health tonic. Cheers to a healthier you! So there you have it, guys. We've journeyed through 5 super simple and effective weight loss drinks that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. These drinks are not just about shedding those extra pounds, but also about embracing a healthier lifestyle. From refreshing smoothies to calming teas and invigorating juices, each drink offers unique benefits that can help you on your weight loss journey. The best part? They are all easy to make and can be prepared with ingredients you probably already have at home. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. It's not just about drinking these beverages once in a while, but making them a regular part of your diet. Set a routine. Maybe start your day with a smoothie or end it with a calming tea. Find what works best for you. Pick 1 or 2 drinks that you enjoy the most and make them a staple in your daily routine. This way, you won't feel like you're forcing yourself to drink something you don't like, and it will be easier to stick to your plan. And don't forget to listen to your body. It's essential to pay attention to how your body responds to these drinks. If something doesn't feel right, stop and consult your doctor. Your health and well-being should always come first. Consulting with a healthcare professional can provide you with personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. They can help you understand what works best for your body and guide you on your weight loss journey. Now, I'm curious, which of these drinks are you most excited to try? Is it the refreshing cucumber and mint detox water, the metabolism-boosting green tea, or perhaps the nutrient-packed smoothie? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing about your experiences and which drinks you find the most beneficial. Your feedback helps us create more content that you enjoy and find useful. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Your support means the world to us and helps us reach more people who can benefit from these tips. Share it with your friends and family. You never know who might be looking for simple and effective ways to lose weight and improve their health. Sharing is caring, and together we can build a community of health-conscious individuals. And subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. We have a lot of exciting videos lined up that you won't want to miss. From healthy recipes to fitness tips, there's something for everyone. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep sipping your way to a fitter you. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results. And every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. So friends, these were 5 simple and effective drinks that can be helpful for every Indian woman. Each drink is designed to support your weight loss goals while also providing essential nutrients to keep you energized and feeling great. Which of these drinks will you try first? Will it be the hydrating coconut water, the antioxidant-rich berry smoothie, or the digestion-friendly ginger tea? The choice is yours, and the possibilities are endless. Let us know in the comments below. Your input is invaluable, and we love hearing about your journey towards a healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. Your likes and comments help us understand what content resonates with you and motivates us to keep creating valuable videos. Share it with your friends. Spread the word and help others discover these simple yet effective weight loss drinks. Together, we can inspire more people to take charge of their health. And subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more tips, recipes, and health hacks that can make a real difference in your life. See you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy. Keep exploring new ways to nourish your body and mind, and remember, every small step counts. Take care, and keep striving for a healthier, happier you. Goodbye for now. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy.